Welcome to Learn with the Viki. Okay, so I'm going to teach you now Java and Python both. I told you all coding are similar. Okay, so I will give live example how coding are similar. Just what we do coding, we have different approach. So first we go Java. Okay, this is I told you last videos. This is our coding. Okay, now I will write simple. I will teach you now for loop, while loop, and this one if and else. So let's first we start for loop. So this is for loop. Like what happened if I told you print 1 to 100 in different line. So what you do? You said um 1. Like if you go okay, like you go 1 2, it will take a lot of time. If I say printed 200 300, then what happen, it will take a lot of time. Okay, so what we do, we use for loop. In for loop what happened, we just print one thing, and we like I said print 1 to 100. Okay, if you go system 1 system 2, it will take a lot of time. Now we use simple for loop. So what happened in for loop, just said for in int I, this means we will start from 0. Okay, you can start from 1 also. Then I greater than equal to, where will go 100. If we write I greater than 100, so once it will come 99, it will stop. If we type equal, so once it come 100, it will go till 100, it will stop. Then after we type 1, then 2, so it will increment every time. So I plus plus, this will show increment. Okay, uh, now bracket, here we just type I. Okay, now we run this program. So look it down, it will 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 8. Okay, I will tell you one more thing I forgot in last video. This ln, if I remove ln, okay, then I run the program, then how it will show, like this. Okay, so ln always come in next line. Okay, this is for loop, simple. If we go in Python also same thing. For here we type int I equal to 0. Here is a different way to write I in range. Okay, from where it will start, 0 0. Then where it will go, we say 6. Okay, then how much increment, 1. So simple 1, or we can don't write it. Okay, then print I, simple. Now if we, okay, so now if we py I will running the program. Okay, just wait. So I need to save. Okay, now I will run the program. So look at 0 1 2. If I, okay, 6, because it will go 6. If I write 7 and then I will run the program. Okay, clear. Now this is simple your for loop. Now we will go next, if and else. Okay, if and else means condition. If I will tell you simple thing, odd even. Okay, if I say int a equal to 10. Okay, if a divided by 2, sorry, 2 equal to 0, even number, even, else odd. Okay, now we will run this even number. Okay, because 10 is even number. If I say 3, okay, then I will run the program. It will say odd. Simple. Now if we come to Python, okay, so in Python it will same thing. Okay, if first we describe a equal to 8, okay, then if a percentage 2 equal to 0, print even, else odd. If we save this, if we run this, okay, 2 equal to 0. Look at even number. If we give 3, this is odd. So simple. In both, we approaching same thing. I will tell you for loop. If else, I show you. We approaching same thing. So what happened? Whatever we do coding is very easy. Like I told you in same here. Look at what you find the difference. Tell me. Here you write describe what is your passing value 3 4 5. Here also what you are passing the value. Here you describe the condition, if else condition. Here also you describe the condition. Here you describe the uh, odd or even. Same here. Here describe the if else. Same thing. When it's come to for loop, and here also for loop. Here also same thing. From where we start, where we will end, how much increment, where we start, where we end, and increment. Like now I will tell you one more thing. If we go 10 and I want to increment of 2, okay, If I this, then now look at 0, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. So it will be increment of 2. Here they like 0, then 1 you skip 2, 3 skip 4, like that. Here also you can do it in Java. I plus how much increment 1? 2. Easy. Now run it. Okay, little bit. You don't need care. Sorry. Okay, look at the increment. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So coding is always easy. Okay, it's a like how you approach your problem. Every problem you can solve from Java and Python. Okay, just you have to remember how you approach. Okay, so we done for loop and if else. Now we have also while loop. In while loop, like we know we need to start from one, but sometime we don't know where we start. Okay, so like I equal to 1. Okay, now while I greater than equal to 5, it's show when 5 I comes to equal to 5, your print will be stop. Print I, after it every it's going on while loop, so it need to be increment I plus equal to 1. Now once we start, okay, terminals, once it come to 5 it will end. If you do like we need to, we know where we don't know where we cells, like we have I equal to 7. Okay, and we need to, we know our endpoint is 12. Okay, condition so it will start from 7 and 12. So while loop, for loop are similar, but in for loop we know where will start, where will end. In while loop we don't know, we know our end, where is our end, just like we know our end is like 12. Okay, so that time we use while loop. So this is the if else and while loop. I will show you in Python and Java both. Next time I will teach you classes. This is more important. Now we combine two classes same time in Java, in Python. Okay guys, so if you like the videos, subscribe, and if you have any doubts, just comment it.